Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix is not enough disk space error. Make sure to follow along so you have several processes to fix the issue. First, one is to restart your PC and your Steam. After restarting your PC, run your Steam as administrator. If this doesn't work, you need to check your connection. You can also check if you have free space on your computer. You need to check if you have space to download the game on Steam now. If you have free space to download the game, you can clear the download cache on Steam. You can also verify the integrity of game files. So you can click on Steam at the top left corner. Come to Settings. Come on Downloads. And here you click on this option Clear Download Cache. Be aware that when you do this you will clear all download cache that you have on Steam. So after doing this you will fix your problem. I hope I help you how to fix this thing not enough disk space error.